It's a little bit weird. I actually came from that direction, had to set up my camera here so you guys can kind of see the fire tower in the back. All right, what's going on, lazy bushcrafting fans? It's myself, Owen. Today we are at Robert Moses State Park out in Long Island, New York. I'm gonna do a short little hike on the Fire Island Lighthouse Trail. I think that's what it's called. It's about 6.8 miles, pretty flat. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go the whole entire way because you go through neighborhoods, I believe, and I don't really want to do that, but apparently there's good seafood here, so if you're a big seafood person, this is the place to go. I'm gonna head in that direction, take a look at the Fire Island Lighthouse. I keep saying Fire Island because I'm about to say Fire Lighthouse, Firehouse or something like that, which I told the attendant that was at the parking lot. I was like, is there a firehouse here that I can go to? And she was like, oh no, you mean the lighthouse. I'm like, yeah, that lighthouse. Anyways, I'm gonna show you around, probably hit up the beach as well. Hopefully nobody thinks I'm a creep because I have a tripod and a camera. Definitely a no-no in a lot of places, and this is no different. Yeah, no different, whatever. Anyways, it is hot, it is humid. I was not expecting that. I was supposed to go to Catskills over at Overlook Mountain Ruins. They have some really nice, I guess, old abandoned buildings there that used to be a hotel that people used to go to way back in the day, but now it's an abandoned ruin. But lightning, thunderstorm kind of changed the plan, so I came here instead. But let's go over there, take a look. Behind me is the Fire Island Lighthouse, constructed in 1826. Kind of reminds me of the Futurama headquarters, you know, where the spaceship flies out from the barn. As you can tell, it has a barn right there. Pretty cool. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go up there, but if I do, I'll definitely get some footage. But as for right now, I guess let's keep on going. All right, lazy bushcrafting fans, I'm actually gonna have to hold my camera because, well, I'm in the car now. This is the end, damn it! So this is the end of the video, pretty much to the fire tower and back. I'm not doing the full entire 6.8 miles or whatever it is. It's very little. Oh, this camera's super heavy. Anyways, I'm gonna end it like this. It is hot, it is humid, I am done. Gonna get something to drink, get something to eat, go home. See you later.